That's me. I'm Jegs McGillicuddy. I'm beneath my barn. It's a beautiful old barn. I'm basically trying to keep it from falling into the, well, when the tide comes in, the tide's up here. Right now, as you can maybe see, you can't really tell, the tide's out. That's interesting, you can't. You can't flip it as you shoot. So I'll just go like this. The tide's behind me. It's coming in. When it gets in, I won't be able to come under here. And that's good, because I hate being under here. It feels like it's going to collapse any moment. But that's what we're going to do on this old barn. We're going to somehow save this beautiful monstrosity. It's over 125 years old. Is this over? Oh.